Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Palm. This is for the lesson on Tuesday, September 2nd, 2014. We're going to be learning about how to work with a partner. To do this, you've got to think about things just a little bit ahead of time. I'm not going to have it as homework for the first day of school, but this would be what your homework would look like. So let's take the problem 14 minus 8 equals 6. We're going to really dissect that and talk about what it means to us and how we think about it. As you work with a partner, you just say what you think. So you need to say how you subtracted this. So if I were to tell you how I did it, I would take one of the 10s and move it over to make 14 ones, and now I have 14 ones, and I subtract 8 ones, and that equals 6 ones. So that's the method I used right there. There are other methods to do it. Talk to your partner, or what you will be doing is talking to your partner and finding out how your partner subtracts that. And one of the things that you'll be required to do on a really consistent basis is being able to ask your partner a question, a meaningful question, not just, oh, that's cool, how'd you get that? But something a little bit more profound, like, will this always work? So I take a look at 14 minus 8 equals 6. And I can think of some instances where that will not work. Can you think of any of those? Or you might say, well, I don't like to regroup, and so I do it a different way. That's okay, you can do it a different way, but then so as you talk about this, you'll talk about how you think and how numbers make sense to you and how numbers relate to each other. How do you extend 14 minus 8 equals 6? One way to extend it would be just to have you could say 1400 minus 800 equals 600. That's an extension. If you take that basic information there and put it into different circumstances, that also would be an extension. And you might talk about why this method works for you. Well, I like to write it down because then if I'm in the middle of something else and this is only a small part of it, I won't forget where I am or what I did. I don't have to hold it in my head. So you need to know many different things about it. Here's what you will be asked to do the first day of school in math. I want you to write some notes down about some of those thick questions or thick comments, and be ready to then talk meaningfully about 13 minus 9, because 13 minus 9 is what we're going to be doing in class. In addition to the fact that we'll be doing 1-1 in our math journal, which is an activity that sort of takes you around the student reference book so you understand what's in there. Right, okay. See you in school. Bye.